Christmas Eve, 2022 blizzard. Look at all this snow at the door. It's gonna be like this until Sunday. It started yesterday. Look at my porch. I gotta make my way to my snowblower. Look at my truck.
Like this movie I saw where all the snow gonna be
Look at that shit. Driving ban. It's just real windy right now, so I'm gonna try and at least come out and snow blow some of it. So this shit ain't 6 feet high. It's already high enough, and I'm short as hell. So look at this. Here we are the next day after it stopped snowing a little bit, slowed down. You see the winds ain't blowing too bad. I did come out here yesterday and shovel a path, as you can see, but got like another foot of snow on top of what we already had. Just ain't nobody, no plows come down this street at all. Look at that. So I'm about to clear this path again. And then I know it's still stupid, but look at all that snow. I'm gonna try and get the snowblower out there. I'm probably the only person that shoveled anything. It's bad out here. Definitely a couple feet of snow. Here's the aftermath of day 3. I done came out and shoveled this morning, but I did my porch. I was trying to keep up on it while it was snowing. Look at the snow. Nobody moved their car since Thursday. The street not even plowed, not even a little bit. We got plow trucks, city plow trucks, getting stuck out here. Look at this shit. I'm the only one that did something. And I'm short, I'm 5'3". Check this out. Focus. That's all I shoveled up to. Look at that. This is crazy. Somebody else can have this snow. They can have this shit for free. Make you want to move down south for real. Blizzard 22. Today is Christmas. Look at this. Some people didn't even bother to come out and shovel because it's pointless. Just as fast as you shovel, with all that blowing wind, yeah, 60, 70 mile an hour winds as well, it'll just cover it up just as quick. But I kept coming out here, even if it was for 2 minutes, dragging my shovel, just so I can, we had a path going all the way around the car, but that got clogged up. But we had to get some Christmas gifts out of the car. This is my wife's car, that's my truck. Mind you, I got a pickup truck. Look at all that snow. I'm the only one that did some type of shoveling, which is pointless because can't nobody go nowhere. Plows can't get down the streets. Focus. There we go. What the hell, my little snowblower up there Well, it ain't little, about 29-inch path and a shovel. But thought I'd give y'all an update. Buffalo, New York, blizzard of 22, Christmas Day. Happy holidays, and I'll see you on the next video. Get all this snow. That's all I shoveled too. Hit my porch. That's the neighbor. People out here walking. Crazy. I got a whole snowblower, and the snowblower ain't doing shit because it's too damn thick. Down there near the stop sign, it's probably about 6 feet. Dang. Buffalo, New York. The day after Christmas, there's so much snow I done shoveled. Look how high the snow is to me. Just a little walkway to the back door. That's the neighbor's car. All the snow. Go to the porch. And we still got more snow to come. We had about a foot earlier when I came out. But I try to stay on top of it and shovel a path here to the car in front of me, which is my wife's. And a path to my truck, because I had to get in there and get some stuff out of there. This is the street. We gotta walk up all that snow to get up in the street. This is the street. More snow to come. It's been going on since Friday. It's now Monday. Look at my truck. Look at all this snow. I got a pickup. I'm 5'3". And right now, what I done shoveled out comes past my waist. People out here looting stores. We got a couple stores that's been looted. Crazy. Safety crew can't get to you. They got a driving ban. So they done cut everything out. Walking out here in the snow, in the street, believe it or not. I'm 3 feet off the ground. Cars stuck everywhere. Out there trying to clear out the street. Look at this shit. December 26th. I'm falling, sinking into the snow. I'm about 4 feet off the ground. Right where I'm standing now. Look at that. I gotta walk down. Cars are stuck. They ain't even come do the streets yet. Like I said, I'm about 3 feet off the ground. That's what these cars look like with the snow up to them. These two cars is down there in the middle of the street. I'm slipping and sliding. Look at this truck here. Buried. This is the street. Vehicles buried. It's a big park. At the end of my street. I just walked from my sister's house. Look at this hill. I gotta climb this hill. I gotta climb that hill. Look at all that snow. December 26th. They're saying tonight we're supposed to get another 5 to 6 inches more snow to come. That's the low end. Look how high this snow is to me. I done came down from up there. They're cleaning up the main streets. Side streets ain't even been touched. They can't get a plow down here. They gotta get one of them bulldozers to pick the snow up and just dump it. Because the snow is too thick. We got city plow trucks that's stuck out here in the snow. And this is my truck. I'm in the street. She's buried. Pickup. Chevy Avalanche. Look how high that snow is. Look at that. It's my wife's. That's her Equinox. Day after Christmas. Look at this. I'm about to go in the house. Look how high I am off the ground. I don't know how good I could be able to pick it up. I gotta jump down. Just to go in the house. I done shoveled all this out. I am December 27th, 2022. I done shoveled this path out. I tried my snow blower. It couldn't get through it. It couldn't get through it. It's too thick. But I made it a little wider. Made this a little wider here. You see how high the snow is to my daughter. Come around here. That's the porch. I made a little trail through here. The snow's still high. Snow plow is finally coming down. Not our street, but they clearing up the streets. We over here making a little igloo. that. That's pretty high. Again, I got to step up that to get in the street. That's about 3 feet off the ground.
At the end of the video, I don't know.
They're clearing the streets up. Metro way down there, passing through. But they ain't get this street yet. You can tell how high I am. Look how high I am above the car. But
I'm like as tall as the car.
they cleaning up. I'm still supposed to get another 3 to 5 inches. Got a driving ban. Anybody out here getting tickets? They out here driving faithfully. So they just gonna, if they could, catch your license plate and jot it down and send you a ticket in the mail. Buffalo, New York. Christmas blizzard. I'm sinking in the snow.
I'm not.
December 28th. Shoveling the path for my truck to get out. Still a lot of snow. Going all the way around. Got the plow trucks out, tow trucks out. Still a mess. Still got a driving ban. Hopefully it'll be lifted tomorrow, so I done started shoveling so I can get my truck out. Because if they lift the ban, I gotta go into work tomorrow. We got to dump that snow.